Hello and welcome back to Standout Scholars. In this second part of the video, we are going to learn about factorizing quadratics, which is a big concept in elementary algebra. A quadratic is a polynomial that looks like ax squared minus bx minus c, where a, b, c are just numbers. Let us look at how to factorize x squared minus 5x minus 6 and how the above table will guide us whether the factors are positive or negative. Since the constant c is negative, we will have factors of alternating signs. One is positive and the other one is negative. Another important thing to note that b is also negative, hence the larger factor is going to be negative. The factor pairs of 6 are 1 and 6 and 2 and 3. The numbers in the first pair of factors are 5 apart, so we will be using the numbers 1 and 6. From the above table, we know that the larger factor is negative. Hence, the sum of 1 and 6 shall be equal to negative 5. 1 times negative 6 equals to negative 6. And 1 plus negative 6 equals to negative 5. So, x squared minus 5x minus 6 is equal to x plus n into x plus m. From the above table, we know that the factors are of alternating signs, where n is positive and m is negative. N is positive 1 and m is negative 6. Therefore, x squared minus 5x minus 6 is equal to x plus 1 into x minus 6. Hence, we now know, since b is negative, the bigger factor is negative and the smaller factor is positive. So now we learned an easy way of factorizing quadratics by using the above table by determining the sign of coefficient of x, which is b, and the constant c. The following are some questions which you can practice. Remember, you can always rewatch this video few times, and doing some of the practice problems will help to all sink in. As always, thank you for watching Standout Scholars. and see you next time. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe and click on bell notification icon for some useful educational related stuff from Standout Scholars. Thank you.